Today I'm going to show you a cool party trick that ironically can help you prepare for one. Everything you need for this experiment is either lying around the house or at a party supply store, except for the dry ice. I'm afraid most party supply stores don't have that in stock. So I will leave a link in the description for a website that I buy all my dry ice from and will deliver it right to your door. All that you will need for this cool party trick is some dry ice and a couple of party balloons. For the first balloon, I only took a tiny piece of dry ice off of the block. I wanted a baseline to see what that could do before I went up any bigger. After realizing how long it takes dry ice to sublimate when it's in open air, I put the balloon in a bowl of warm water to speed up the sublimation process. After the first balloon was pretty much finished sublimating, I decided to put the rest of the dry ice chunk into another balloon to see what kind of volume I would get out of that. As expected, it definitely got more out of that shard of dry ice than the one previous. And here's what we ended up with for volumes after they were all done sublimating. Thank you for watching this video and helping support this channel. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.